You are welcome to Vedic TV, where you get information based on fact. Popo no die o. Rita Edochie breaks silence over Osita Ihieme'S death rumor. Popo no die. For those people wey dey carry the rumor up and down, dey pass am like say dem dey pass kuli and garri together. Make una take time. Popo no die o. The young man and the celebrity actor is very much alive. See wetin veteran Nollywood actress Rita Edochie talk concerning Popo. The veteran Nollywood actor Rita Edochie has taken to social media to react to the false news about actor Osita Ihieme'S, better known as Popo. According to her, this is coming after fake news made round on social media that the veteran comic actor is dead. Reacting to the fake news, actress Rita Edochie, who appeared angry over the fake news, took to his official Instagram page to voice out about the rise of false death rumor concerning Nigerian celebrity. The actress, in her statement, first called out bloggers and social media creators for their unethical practice of making up sad stories to attract attention and make money. Expressing her anger over such action, Rita Edochie went ahead to reveal how false news circulated online that her colleague Osita Ihieme'S, known as Popo, had died. And the actress, in a statement, continued adding that social media users, upon citing the false news, believe it flooded social media with the condolence. You see, Popo is a known personality, and as a known personality, nobody will hear such a news and say he will not react. Definitely, the person will over even react. But what I personally am even against is that very rumor. You understand? So that is why right here we are saying that before you begin to be passing out false information concerning a particular celebrity, make sure you have done your own personal findings. Make sure your findings are very, very authentic so that you won't end up, tarnishing the image of that very actor. It no make sense now. It no make sense. Yes, social media and bloggers, they are trying, at least then they pass the information. Well, you see why I will not criticize social media influencers and bloggers is that they have at least gone a long way to help expose many of these our politicians. You get so, and many truths where the federal government and the state government have been hiding that they don't want them to know. Social media influencers and bloggers has been able to reveal and expose that. There is fire on the mountain. All right, this is actually what the truth actually is. And the actress, in a statement, has continued to add that everyone should be careful, most especially those who have been passing this news, not just today. Osita Ihieme'S is alive, so please let us put that very first news of the scene and begin to uh, um, propagate positivity in the life of the veteran actor. So please, dear listeners, don't forget your comments. Don't forget to click on the red subscribe buttons as well as bell buttons to get updated each time we upload any new videos. Thank you.